So ito, ang tanong ng bawat consumer, how high is the upfront investment and is the increase in electricity bill of Filipinos inevitable? Tataas pa ang presyo ng kuryente ko pag gumamit tayo ng offshore wind.
Well, by technology, talaga medyo mas mahal siya, no, compared with solar, onshore wind. Pero ang kagandahan nga, nasabi kanina ni Prof. Wally, na mas marami ang napoproduce.
Technically, libre kasi yung energy produced ng wind power coming from offshore wind, except that mataas nga, as mentioned by Yusek May, mataas yung capital cost niya.
Challenges dahil masyado siyang malayo, then ibig sabihin, and the most expensive network infra actually is submarine. In fact, yung ating transmission development ng bansa natin, ang difficulty natin ay paano interconnect yung islands. And imagine, we are doing the same thing in offshore. We are interconnecting using submarine cable, which are expensive. So yun yung primary hurdle